Okay, now that our garlic is all done, we'll move on to scallions. I'm going to pick out 1, 2, 3 medium-sized scallions, and we're going to wash them off. Then we're going to take the knife and just trim off the very tips right here. And brush them into the sink. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to feel here for any loose membranes or dirty parts, and we're just going to peel those off. Get rid of them. This one's a little stumpy. Okay. Just give that another rinse. Line them up on the cutting board. And just like we do with the garlic, using our knuckle to guide the knife and buffer it, we're going to chop the scallions very finely. The scallions add the essential onion flavor to these marinades. It's a very strong flavored onion that does not really turn so sweet like regular onions. So you're going to chop that all the way down. And be careful that you're cutting all the way through the onions, because you don't want the bottom scallion to be one long piece with score marks in it. And then you get to the ends, and we're going to discard those. We'll gather them up and put them in our ramekin and set them aside.